Oh shit.
3 downstairs. 3 persons live at the residence. Calibration 75038 RD 62.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Welcome back to Vlogmas Part 9, guys. As you can see, it is already dark outside. I'm with Nikon and we just met up with Daniel. We're gonna go down to Sepulveda. Daniel wants to get a couple of flybys with his G80, so we're gonna go over there, record him. I think he wants to hit the tunnels a little bit, get some sound clips of his car, and then we're gonna go have a nice dinner with the homies. It's just gonna be the 4 of us for today in this vlog. We're gonna go get some dinner, and like I said, we're gonna have a good time. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well. I'm really active on Instagram, post a lot of stories pretty much daily. So I kind of want to go in Daniel's car just to see the stars at night when we're driving. But yeah, we're gonna hit Sepulveda, and I have no idea what we have planned for this vlog, but I'm picking up the camera because I'm trying to do daily vlogs, guys, every single day. So let's go. Rich, look at those stars, you can see them. Look at that. We got 2 stars right in the front seat. You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Let me see. That's dope, bro. That's just sick. I like that. It's crazy, guys. Like the new Rolls Royce. There's a cop right there. Look at that. I think you're about to floor it too, huh?
Yeah, I was about to. I saw him. I was like, oh, no. I thought Daniel was about to send it.
I know, me too. I thought Daniel was gonna floor it. But it's crazy, guys. The new Rolls Royce, they even put stars right here, like in the door panel right here. It's crazy.
I can get mine on the doors too.
That shit would be sick.
Should I do it?
That'd be crazy. I'd never seen that before. You go viral. Hey, you want like flybys, and then we'll get off and you go back and forth? I'll get some with the, like, I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna get some with the phone too, I guess. And then we'll pull over. I'll tell you when to fly by me. I'll tell you when. Damn, this M8 handles so freaking good. It's insane, guys. Look at this. Capture this. Launch control.
Tripping in that thing.
Holy shit. Oh, I thought you were homeless, bro. You look like a homeless. Where's Daniel? Bro, we literally thought you were homeless about to rob Nikon's car.
I thought you were gonna take my car and go.
We're like, who's this homeless guy on the side of this road, bro?
Me with the hoodie on?
Dude. All right, guys, here comes Daniel. You could do a launch if you want. All right, just go more forward, yeah. That was hard. You got it? Yeah, that's gonna be fire. Is it? Holy shit. Bro, all these cars are probably tripping out right now.
Should I trade in the F80 for one?
What? A G80?
No.
No? I think it's time, bro.
I didn't even get.
G82.
I know.
Everyone's getting one now.
We need supercars.
And my F80's all trash right now.
Oh yeah, that's just belongs to the dumpster, G. Sheesh. All right, guys. It is now time to roll with Sir Daniel. Don't worry, G. I see your Alcantara right there. I'm not gonna step on it. How did it feel?
Oh man, it was
It's just fast, huh? Bro, it sounds so good under the tunnel. It's crazy.
yeah, I can't wait.
You can smell those brakes.
I know.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
The first one I did, bro, that dip just it felt like if I was just flying. Was there any sparks at the end?
No, you're good. But I know that shit, especially when you go down that way, that turn right away, you're like, oh shit.
Yeah, the turn really gets you, but then you know there's this dip that's right there right after the end of the tunnel. Like you get a little bit of air.
Yeah. You're like gonna go off a little bit. Up
Yeah,
that's funny. But yeah, guys, we're in the G80 now. Damn, bro, this looks so sick.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh my, look at that. Wow.
Right
It's
now,
good for vlogs too. Look at how good it is in the low light.
I know, it's perfect.
Look at that.
And then we can actually dim the lights too as well.
Right now it's at its brightest?
It's at its
Bro, I like it at its brightest. That shit is fire. Alright guys, so here's the remote so we can change up the lighting. As you can see, we went like Tiffany blue on them. Now we can go like, yeah, what was that, green? Damn, it looks sick.
You get more colors with the app too, so.
Let me see, red. It's like the Lime Rock spec, G. Ooh, red? Dang.
Yeah.
Red goes with your interior. That's sick. All right, guys. So there's an option called Meteor, and it like
It's like a meteor shot.
yeah. Look at like they're all like they go up and down. They dim down. They brighten up. They dim down.
Instead of a shooting star, you get like a meteor shower.
Yeah. You tell a girl. No, you tell a girl, hey, baby, you want to go see some stars?
I know.
And you just tell her look up.
I know.
Damn, that shit fire. With the red interior. We have finally made it to Robata Gia. Is this how we're starting off the night, G? Oh my. What? Bro, it looks amazing.
Damn, what the heck? I might just go buy it.
You want to order this too?
Hey guys, wait. We're starting off with my favorite thing, spicy garlic edamame. That's how we do it out here. We got the shot ready. We got some ginger. You guys don't like ginger? Hey Nick, try this. It's ice cream. Ready? Alright guys. We got the crispy rice. Try it, Nick. Well, you know I like stuff like that, no? Try one, because it's four. Man, that shrimp looks good.
Crispy rice with guacamole.
Fire.
Take these, please.
Oh, they getting around?
Yeah.
He's vlogging his first time.
I know. I want to get the reaction.
He's gonna like it. Oh, you already fucked up the whole thing.
Bro.
What's wrong with you?
I need a fork.
Hey, you got it. There you go.
I'm scared.
One bite, go.
Good. There you go. Fire.
There should be 8 of these, right? There's 8 of these?
Bro, that shit's so good. No, we gotta get rice, and then we gotta dump some chili sauce in
Yeah,
this.
like where they haul this.
Bro, it's like a little gummy bear. Look.
It's like a little gummy bear. I like it.
Fire. Damn. Look at that wacky tacos. Fire. Here's the meat skewer. That's what I'm talking about. Hey guys, M4CS Lime Rock Gray. We got Daniel's G80 and Nikon's M8. I think we might go to Anita's. All right guys, we're hopping in the G80. Sheesh. this how it feels to be rich. Rich G. How are we driving their cars, bro? Look where we're at, guys. Once again at Anita's Gelato. We're here like every day. We're at Anita's. It's just too good. Oh my gosh, guys. I swear, if you guys come here, coconut, banana date, and pavlova, you won't regret it. Don't come. I swear, you won't regret it. I swear. No way, we're packing this whole car.
In the vlog now.
Bro, we got 3 Mexicans and 2 Middle Easterns in the front, bro.
They kidnapped the Mexicans.
Bro, why is he barking like a dog?
We got a K9, G.
That ain't no K9, that's a little vision dog.
They play with you dogs?
Nikon, can you bark too?
Nah.
What? She said lower the volume.
Sounded like Chimoni.
She heard you, Kevin.
She's like, yeah.
What'd they say?
Yeah, she needs help.
Huh? We found something, guys. There's the cop. But look at, they got that shit flooded in there.
Oh, some tweaking.
What was it? What was it?
The guy against the wall.
Guys.
But how many fucking cops are there?
They got that guy good.
Bro, can they see me filming? We're in downtown. What is it? What is it?
Young William 9395 Nor Young William 939. Suspect unlicensed driver, male Hispanic, 35 to 40 years. Code 2, incident 5016-206-260.
Roll up your window, G. What the fuck?
Bro, turn off the AC. It smells like burn.
Suspect at 320 North Madison Avenue, incident 488-792-12.
Oh, the crazy LA looks like this now, bro.
It looks like Mexico?
Look, there's a fire on the ground right there.
No way, bro.
They're standing around it like zombies, like GTA.
Oh my. Bro, oh my. Chris.
Bro, they're walking zombies. What the fuck are they gonna do? Fucking
Bro, Chris, make a left. I want to see what it looks like. Chris,
hit them.
Chris, make a left.
Bro, imagine we went to
Dude, oh my, look at that one, dude. Look, bro,
My boy.
bro. There's no way that's real. There's no way that's real, bro. Roll down the window.
there's really a
Roll down the window. Oh my, where'd he go?
He's right there.
Bro, cállate, cabrón.
Puto.
What do you say?
Chupa mi huevos. The guy to the left. That's what fucking kills.
What does he look like? Wait, let me put the camera on.
Bobtail Drive, 2293 Bobtail Drive.
It's getting
Feel free
weird.
to cross way downstairs. 3 persons with other residents. Panel for 5038 RD 62.
What did you say? 2293 what?
I don't know, you told me the fucking cop.
Shut up! DUI, I promise you.
Where's the cops?
How?
Said 7th and Big Saw.
What? So these idiots crashed into each other?
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at this.
They did?
Big torta, she big.
Oh, he
man.
is drunk,
Bro, you can see him in there.
No, bro, let's go help him.
Look, let's get out. Film him.
Look at.
Look at this guy yelling at him.
Bro,
you didn't see? Everyone's.
You know what I just realized?
But you didn't see them talking to him?
I did. Everybody hangs out. Like,
Then they just knocked out. I just want to hit her like with the car, like she a big ass target.
look at that, guys. We're in downtown. Such a nice place, but
Such a nice place.
not recently.
What the fuck is nice
Oh
about it?
my.
And the
I don't
Hellcat, bro.
There's no way somebody stole it and just left
For
it
sure
there.
stolen it, bro.
Bro, what? They're visiting their family.
It's all crashed.
Was somebody in there?
Possible battery suspect in ID 28. Battery suspect in ID 142.
Oh
Possible
my.
movement suspect in ID 166. Any situation.
Go forward. Oh shit.
Oh, he fucked him up.
Shut your ass up. What you gonna do? Bitch ass nigga, stay across the street. Or I'll fuck you up, nigga. Bitch ass street.
Anything you can tell you, right?
Where's the kid that got fucked up? Oh yeah, you got demolished.
Put the window down. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.